Hello, welcome to Takstar Music. I am your keyboardist and sound engineer. Today we are doing a series on sound and loops, and before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay to the end of the video. Thank you. God bless you.
We just do this. I have come. Hey. To give back to you. I have come to say thank you.
Let's jump straight into our gear. We have the Mix MG32 FX14 with 4 basses and the mono and stereo bass with 32 inputs. We also used 2 equalizers, as you can see there. One was used for the monitors on top and the other one was used for the house speakers, with also the crossover for 4 bass speakers. We also have this other equalizer for the floor monitors and the bass speakers used for bass speakers. We also have a PV amplifier for the house speakers. Then we have a PVCS 4080 that is for the floor monitors and the monitors on top. We also have the Crest Audio for the 4 bass speakers. The loops gear, we have HP Pavilion 14 Intel Core i5 with 8GB RAM. Then here I have the loop that I built on FL Studio 20 Producer Edition. I used this on Shangwe, the first song in the video. You can refer to that. Then this is the other loop that I used on Take All the Praise. I built both of them by myself, and if you want a perfected version of the loops, just DM me for more. Thank you. Until next time, God bless you.